If you're trying to upgrade your bathroom with a shower system that looks premium and performs even better, pause. The Delta Velum 14 series shower faucet set in champagne bronze might be the perfect addition. Let's break down what makes this set stand out. First, the champagne bronze finish. This brushed gold tone is one of the most elegant finishes on the market, warm, modern, and resistant to tarnish and discoloration. It instantly elevates your bathroom from basic to luxury spa style. This model includes the shower head and the handle trim, and like most Delta trim kits, it requires a Delta Multicoice universal valve, which is not included. This makes upgrading in the future easier because you can change styles without tearing out plumbing. The 14 series single-function pressure balanced cartridge ensures water temperature stays stable. Even when someone flushes a toilet or turns on a faucet, that means no sudden temperature jumps, just consistent, comfortable showers. The shower head provides a steady, full coverage spray designed to mimic rainfall with balanced pressure. Delta's spray technology ensures even distribution for a relaxing shower experience. Another highlight is Delta's touch clean nozzle design. You can wipe away mineral buildup with your finger, no harsh chemicals, no scrubbing. This feature is a lifesaver in hard water areas. The handle is smooth, easy to operate, and provides precise temperature adjustment. The trim plate is slim, modern, and designed to hide uneven tile edges or old cutouts, making it perfect for both remodels and new installations. Pause. If I were reviewing this product, I'd point out that homeowners love how durable the finish is. It's far more resistant to fingerprints and corrosion than many cheaper gold tone fixtures. Plus, Delta's reputation for leak-free, long-lasting valve systems makes it a trusted brand for bathroom upgrades. If you want a premium-looking shower trim kit with reliable performance, solid water pressure, and a sophisticated brushed gold finish, the Delta Velum 14 series is an excellent pick. If you're trying to upgrade your bathroom with a shower system that looks premium and performs